Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a scrumptious recipe for you that's perfect for any occasion. It's the taste of the med recipe, and it's sure to impress your taste buds. So, let's dive right in. To make this delicious dish, you'll need 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of cream, 1/4 cup of flour, salt, and black pepper to taste it first. Crack the eggs into a mixing bowl and whisk them until they're nice and smooth. Then, add the cream and whisk again until everything is well combined. Next, add the flour and mix until you have a smooth batter. Season the batter with salt and black pepper to your liking. Now, it's time to cook. Heat up your pan over medium heat, and when it's hot, add a generous amount of butter. Pour the batter into the pan and cook for about 2 minutes on each side, or until it's golden brown and crispy. And there you have it. A delightful taste of the med recipe that's perfect for any meal. Serve it up with your favorite side dishes and enjoy the delicious flavors of the Mediterranean. We hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as we did. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more tasty recipes and cooking tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.